voting for Paul Okumbowa are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From Ngomoka, returning officer, sir, we have 5 persons voting for Mr. Paul Okumbowa. Please go back to your seat. Mr. Paul Okumbowa, stand behind him. Against him, stand on the other side. You should not be afraid. Exercise your franchise in the name of the National Working Committee. Those voting against him, stay on the opposite side. Those voting for him, stay behind him. Stand on the opposite side. Mr. Returning Officer, sir, it doesn't look like anybody's voting against him. The whole process is everybody behind him. Now, in the presence of the authorities here monitoring this process, from our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 our is for Mr. Paul Okumbowa. Thank you very much. Go back to your seat.
I hereby declare that the aspirant today garnered 40 votes against nothing. So we have 44 and 0 against, and hereby declare him as the winner.
Are you a winner? I am a winner. Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul.
On behalf of the Young Progressives Party, after a successful conduct of the primaries for the 24th February 2024 primaries, I hereby present to you a certificate of return as the flag bearer of the party. Congratulations.
Service to the people. For a greater Edo State. First of all, I'd like to thank each and every one of us here for the opportunity given to have our voice heard. We believe that the people for the first time will make the choice of what they want. And we believe that an election where we can woo 80% of the youths to come out for the first time will be an election that will be difficult for the plutocrats to read. It is our expectation that by God's grace, what has started today like a mustard seed will grow to become that oak tree that will deliver the dividends of democracy and rescue our people from the current hardship that has bedeviled us just now. I want to personally appreciate my party. I want to appreciate the state chairman, the members of the state working committee, members of the national working committee, and for every delegate that has just now trust us with their votes, that we can give representation to the party in the general elections as the polls draw near. We pray by God's grace we continually get the needed strength and capacity will not elude us to sell our mandate to the people.
Thank God for the candidate we have here today, which is Comrade Paul Okumbowa, for his ambition to go ahead as a governor. And I want to say this to you. Let everybody join our hands together to make it a reality. This is just the first step. And I want to say this, that with you and I joining our hands together, it will work by the grace of God.